Do you want to avoid bad investment deals? Hi, I'm Diana with Benson Appraisals, and today I want to share a story that every investor needs to hear. An investor recently brought me into a wholesale deal in Phoenix. The wholesaler projected an ARV, or after repair value, of $520,000. But when I pulled up the legitimate comparables, the true ARV was closer to $445,000, a $75,000 difference. That's not a small mistake. That's a spooky deal. So let's talk about how to avoid deals like this and protect your ROI and make smart, data-driven investment decisions. So why investors get into spooky deals? Many investors rely on the wholesaler comp sheets, automated online valuations, and agent ballpark estimates, which really are the best case scenario estimates. Sometimes the remodel assumptions are inaccurate. Cost projections are off. Real estate investing has huge upsides, but it's also full of traps if you're not analyzing correctly. So the 7 biggest red flags that appraisers see one is inflated ARVs. Investors often get ARVs based on homes larger than the subject or remodeled at much higher quality in a different school district or better locations with features that your property just don't have. If your ARV is wrong, your entire deal is bad or misleading comps. Often you see comps that are pulled from the other side of major roadways or in different subdivisions, newer or older construction areas, homes with pools when a subject has none, completely different lot sizes. These skew values dramatically. Unpermitted additions counted in the gross living area. In the Phoenix metro area, additions are extremely common and many are unpermitted. But what's important too is, are they completed in a workmanlike manner? Are they heated and cooled? Do they flow with that floor plan? If that space is included in the living gross area and your ARV is based on it, your numbers might already be inflated. Then there's cosmetic flips, where they're hiding major issues. Investors love lipstick flips, but appraisers look deeper. We check the age of the roof, the HVAC, plumbing upgrades, electrical, window conditions, water heater age. Cosmetic remodels don't fix that deferred maintenance. Number 5 is incorrect square footage. Public records in Phoenix are wrong more often than you expect. The gross living area, or GLA, errors of 50 to 300 square feet are very common, and they can swing the value by tens of thousands of dollars. Number 6 is unrealistic rent projections. Rents are market driven. If you're using peak season numbers or furnished rental rates, Airbnb estimates, you may be overestimating your income significantly, especially in today's market where we see those rent numbers going down pretty quickly. Number 7, blind trust in the wholesaler or agent numbers. Wholesale numbers are motivated by assignment fees. Agents are incentivized by commission. Appraisals are paid for accuracy, not outcomes. So how does an appraisal help investors? It's a professional appraisal, gives investors accurate ARV, verified square footage, real comparable sales, remodeling ROI guidance, condition-based adjustment, realistic rent estimates, identification of deal-killing red flags. It's the closest thing to a stress test for your deal. Another Phoenix investor brought me into a project projected to profit $60,000 after analyzing the actual GLA, the realistic ARV, necessary repairs, and the true remodeling ROI. The profit margin dropped to $5,000 before holding costs. He passed on the deal. 3 months later, another investor bought it and took a loss. This is the value of a professional valuation. Investors should always get an appraisal. Whether investment strategies, probate or distressed sales, wholesale deals, complex remodels, unique homes with additions or casitas, when estimating ARV or future value, real estate investing can be incredibly profitable if you understand the numbers. So if you want an unbiased, accurate, data-driven valuation for your next deal, Benson Appraisals is here to help you avoid those spooky deals and make smart decisions. Be sure to subscribe for more real estate insights across Phoenix. This has been Diana Benson with Benson Appraisals.